Ayan, hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Francis Vlog. It's me, Francis de la Cruz, your seaman vlogger. For today's video guys, I want to teach you how to find the course and distance in Mercator sailing. Now here's our problem. Calculate the course and distance between position 29 degrees, 20 north, 125 degrees, 35 minutes east, and 25 degrees, 40.0 minutes north, and 120 degrees, 50.0 minutes east. So this is our problem. So the first thing that we should do is to find the D-lat and the D-long of this up to position. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so our latitude 1 here, latitude 1 is 29 degrees, 20.0 north. Okay, and our latitude 2 is 25 degrees, 40.0 north. Then our longitude 1 is 125, 35.0 is, and longitude 2 is 120 degrees, 50.0 minutes. Okay, so I know guys, you know already the rules in finding the D-lat and D-long. Okay, if same name, it is subtract. Same name, subtract. If different name, we have to add. Okay, this is the rules for D-lat and D-long. Once again, same name or same north or same south, it is for subtraction. Is subtraction. Okay, so now let us subtract these two. Okay, we're gonna use the scientific calculator. So 29 degrees, 20.0 minutes north, minus 25 degrees, 40.0 minutes north is, we have 3 degrees and 40 minutes. 3 degrees and 40 minutes. So it is south. Okay, because going to south. Okay. Now longitude 2, 125 degrees, 35 minutes, minus 120 degrees, 50 minutes. We have 4 degrees and 45 minutes. It is westerly because it's going to west. Okay, from 29 degrees north, then going down to 25 going south, understand? And from 125 degrees east going to west 120 degrees. So I know you have already this already know about the rules. Okay, so let's proceed to next guys is to find the meridional parts. Okay, so the MP1, the MP2, and of course the difference of meridional parts. Ganito lang yan guys. So MP1 and MP2 over or equal to the MP. Okay, so yan guys, so kukunin natin, so we will going to calculate the meridional parts of the latitude 1 and the latitude 2. Okay, so we're gonna use the scientific calculator para makuha natin yung MP1 and the MP2. Pero guys, meron tayong useful table, pwede din kayong tumingin doon para makuha nyo yung equivalent ng meridional parts ng every latitude. Okay, the useful table. But for now guys, I'm going to use the calculator. Okay, so I'm going to flash the scientific calculator input dito sa screen para malaman nyo kung paano makuha yung mga meridional parts. Okay, so ganito lang yan guys. Okay, log, ayan, log tan, ayan, and then close parenthesis, latitude 1 natin is 29, so you put 29 degrees and 20.0 minutes, and then divided by 2 guys, follow, plus 45, close parenthesis, times 7915.7, okay, and then minus sin lat. So latitude natin is 29, same again, latitude 1 pa rin tayo, 29 degrees, 20.0 minutes, and then multiply times 23.2669, then equal. So we have meridional parts of 1830.94 for latitude 1. Okay, so we have 1830.94. Okay, so let's calculate for MP2. Ulitin nyo lang yon, MP2. So ulitin natin. Latitude 2 tayo, latitude 2. So log tan, close parenthesis, our latitude 2 is 25 degrees, 40.0 minutes, and then divided by 2 plus 45, close parenthesis, times 7915.7 minus sin, latitude natin ulit 25 degrees, 40.0 minutes, and then times 23.2669. So equal, we have 1584.17. Okay, so 1584.17. Ngayon guys, paano makuha yung DMP? Same rules lang dito sa pagkuha ng dilat. Okay? Kung anong ginawa nyo dito sa dilat, pagkuha ng dilat, since minus nyo ito, ma-minus nyo lang din dito. Okay? Kapag in-add nyo to, add din dito. Okay? Understood? Same rules lang. Kung anong ginawa nyo sa dilat, yun din gagawin nyo dito sa DMP. Kasi ang MP1 natin, sa latitude 1 is north. Okay? North. Sa MP2 natin is latitude is north. Same lang. Same name. So minus tayo. Okay? So we have 246.77. Okay? So we have done with the dilat, dilong, and the MP. Now we go on to finding the course and the distance. Okay, so here's the formula for finding the course. We have the tan course equal to DLO divided by the DMP. Since gagamitin ng scientific calculator, so kailangan natin mag-inverse tangent. So course equals to tangent inverse tangent, close over parenthesis, close and open parenthesis, DLO divided by the DMP. So ang DLO natin, so the difference of longitude ilan? We have, now guys, i-convert na natin yung dilat and dilong into distance or miles, from degrees to miles. Okay? So ngayon guys, gagawin lang natin sa dilat 3 degrees 40 minutes, i-multiply lang natin by 60 para ma-convert natin into miles. Okay? So ayan, 3 and 40 times 60, we have 220 miles sa dilat natin. So gamitin natin siya later on. Okay? Now sa dilong naman, 4 degrees 45 minutes times, yan, times 60, we have 285. Okay? So we have 285 miles. Okay? So we have already the converted degrees, dilong and dilat to miles. Ngayon, punta tayo dito sa course. Ang formula natin sa course is tan course equal to dilo and DMP over DMP. Since we are going to use the scientific calculator, gagamit tayo ng inverse tangent. So co is equals to tan inverse DLO divided by the DMP. So ganito lang guys, madali lang yan, scientific calculator. Since nakakuha na tayo ng DLO, gamitin natin yung miles ng DLO, ilan? Or the D long, we have 285. So 285 divided by the DMP, ilan yung difference of meridional parts natin? We have 246.77. So 246.77. So we have this course. So ito lang guys, madali lang yan. Calculator lang tayo. 85 divided by 246.77. So we have 1.154, and then shift guys, shift tangent, yan yung inverse tangent, and then equal, we have 49.1. Okay, so we have this 49.1. So anong sign natin dyan guys? So ang dilat natin is south, and our D long is west. So 49.1 southwest. So anong gagawin natin next? Since southwest siya guys, so it is north, east, southwest. So minus 180 plus 180 minus 360, and here is as is. Okay, so since southwest siya, southwest, gagawin natin plus 180. So we have plus 180. So we have this 229.1. So our final course is 229.1. True. So we have already the course. Now let's find the distance. Okay guys, so ganito yung pagkuha ng distance. Ito yung formula natin. Distance equal to dilat divided by cosine course. Okay, so yung distance natin, dilat, ilan yung dilat natin? We have 220. Okay, here, yan, 220 divided by cosine yan, sa calculator natin yan. Tapos course, ang course natin is, ito yung gagamitin guys ha, hindi ito 49.1. So okay, wait, 49.1. So we have 49.1. Now let's do this. Calculator. So we have 220 divided by cos. Okay, 49.1. So we have 336.01 miles. So this is our final distance. Okay, as easy as that. So madali lang guys ha. If you have question, clarification, or additional information or correction about my computation, just comment to the comment section and do not hesitate to say what you want. Okay, if you have suggestion guys na gawin natin ng video, comment nyo lang sa comment section. Okay, so we have the final. Our course is 229.1 and the distance is 336.01 miles. Thank you so much guys for watching.